everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a full face of drugstore makeup. So I've got this new palette by MILANI and I'm so excited to try it, but I was also disappointed because it kind of cracked in my bag by the time I got home. So this shade, oopsies, this shade kind of cracked, but it's okay, we'll make it work. So I'll be using this palette today by MILANI. It's all purple, ready for spring. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell underneath beside the subscribe button so you can be notified of any of my upcoming videos. It's cracked everywhere, but it's okay, we'll make it work. Nothing we can do. Okay, so we're gonna start by priming our face with the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer in the shade 130. Okay, so let's prime the face. Okay, I have dry skin, so I love a dewy finish, and this primer is great for that. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation with hyaluronic acid and collagen. It's in the shade 20 Classic Ivory. This is one of their new foundations, and I really like this foundation. Okay. There you go. I know Tati did a review on this foundation. She originally liked it, but then she wasn't very happy with it long wear. I've worn this foundation long wear. I have dry skin, and it seemed to have worked very good on my skin. Maybe because my skin is a bit drier, so maybe it works better and stays longer on dry skin. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 5 Ivory. I'm almost out of it. And we're gonna put it on our eyelids and underneath to brighten up the underneath area. Top of my nose. I look funny. Okay. Next, we are going to go into the powder to set this concealer. I'm going to use the Fit Me by Maybelline once again powder. You can see that I'm almost out of it, in the shade 100 Translucent. I like this powder because it doesn't dry up my face. Let's use this. Let's apply it all over the face, might as well, to set the foundation. Gives it such a natural look. Okay, and now we're gonna just put some on the eyelids to make sure that the eyeshadow sticks to it. Underneath. There you go. Okay, now let's go into this shade right here. I'm gonna be careful so this one doesn't fall out. So we're gonna go into this light shade. They don't have any names. So we're gonna go into here I'm gonna use it as our transition color. Now let's go into this one that broke and use it. I cannot tilt it because it's all gonna fall out. Ooh. And we're going to use it just above the crease here. Okay. I'm gonna dip into the shade beside it, this darker shade pink, and we're gonna put this in the crease. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna use the same shade we just used and use it underneath here. Oh, Diamond, my dog, is here. She wants to say hi. Come on, baby. Wanna say hi? There you go. There she is. Yeah. Her name is Diamond, and she is 16 years old. Say hello. It's too bright for you, right? Yeah. She's a good girl. Okay. Now, I'll be taking this brush and we're gonna go into this shade right here, the last one, dark purple, and we're gonna put it in the outer corner here. Pretty dark. Okay, now we're gonna go into this shade right here with the finger, the second last dark shade. Look at this. Very nice. I'm going to this shade and we're gonna apply it in the middle towards the outside of the eye. Go into this shade, the first one here, and we're gonna use our finger. Let's see how this one turns out. And we're gonna use it in the inner corner. And now we're gonna dip in the first shade we dipped the first time, and we're gonna use that inside the inner corners here and underneath the brow. I'm gonna use this MAC brush, MAC 239S. So lighten up here. This dark one right here, the darkest purple. I'm gonna use it to line my uh, underneath my eye here. Okay, and I'm gonna go back into this gold champagne sparkly one and do the inner half of underneath my eye here. Perfect. Now we are going to put this COLLAB mascara in the shade black brown. See? Okay. Mascara's all up on the eyes. Now we're going to use the MILANI Sun-Kissed Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. Kona Browns. The smell of this powder is so beautiful. It reminds me of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one. This one smells so good as well. Very nice. Exactly like this MILANI one. But I really enjoy both. This MILANI one, I just fell in love with it. All blended, and now I will be using the L'Oreal True Match Blush in the shade Baby Blossom. It's right here. Okay, I use this as a blush. I'll be using the MAC 129S brush. Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the shade Iridescence. Let's see. This one has a nice smell as well. This bigger one. Real Techniques 402 brush. See, look at this. Tip of the nose. Around the lip. A little bit. And I would like to use the same one with this MAC 239S brush and put it in the inner corner and underneath here on top of those eyeshadows that we used, just to lighten up more. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. So I have chosen the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. And the shade is soft pink, and the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cotton Candy. Okay, so let's line the lips. Okay, and now we're gonna use the NYX lip gloss. And that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, final thoughts, what I think. I really enjoyed everything. Eyeshadow, I like it. I wish this shade wouldn't have broken on me, then I can use it more. The first 1, 2, 3 shades were easy to blend. The very dark one here, it took a bit longer to blend. It was a little bit patchy, but I made it work. I really like the sparkly one here and the very light shade here. Overall, it's an okay palette, but everything else, I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation with the hyaluronic acid in it, and this is in the shade 20 Classic Ivory. Very happy with this foundation. It's very dewy. If you have dry skin, it seems to work really good on the face. I'm very happy with the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. Translucent powder, not foundation. This is really good. Okay, and now final touches. I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray to set up all of this makeup we put on. Close my eyes. Oh, refreshing. Oh, I love it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with everything. Please let me down below in the comment section, what do you think of this palette, if you really enjoy this, if you enjoyed this look. All drugstore products, so pretty happy with all of them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and taking the time to spend with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this palette, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.